All right, so we're here in Rochester today, giving away the second of 3 cars we're giving away this summer to one of our employees. Trevor Johnson was selected because Rochester was one of the top performing stations in the system for the month of July. And so we take the top 5 performing stations. Every employee in those 5 stations are put into a randomizer, and a name is selected, and Trevor Johnson was the winner. I've got a key that I want to give to one of you. So I understand that earlier this week somebody's car didn't pass inspection. So timing actually worked out pretty good. And the name was selected before the inspection, which makes it even sweeter. So Trevor, do you want to join me up here? So congratulations. You just won a brand new Toyota Corolla, I think, right? Something like that.
Oh, wow.
Here's the key. A thrill to give away a car. You can see the excitement, the anticipation, and just how happy everybody was for Trevor to win. And when you give it away at a station that they're very close, it just means so much to them, and everybody celebrates the win.
It was absolutely amazing. It was absolutely amazing. I'm not sure I'm hurt right now. It was real surprised. When we were told about this meeting, we didn't know what to expect. I said, no, it might be something good. And when it was announced that I was the winner, oh my goodness, I was just over the moon.